Hi, I am Abed, an Excel and Google Sheets expert with extensive experience in creating automated templates, reports, and dashboards. Need to streamline your business operations, automate processes, or visualize your data? I can help. Here is an example of a commission tracker I recently built for a client. This automated Google Sheet tracks commissions for appointment setters in real time, helping business stay organized and make the process smooth, accurate, and effortless. Let's dive into the structure of commission tracker. It has two sheets. One is tracker and the other is summary. On the tracker sheet, there are many columns. First four are generic. It includes date, name, closer name, and setter name. I have put the dummy data for the purpose of demonstration. This column status has drop-down menus. If I drop one menu, it will show closed, working, and dead. On the basis of these status, the fee will come up. If I select the closed one, you will see that in the next column, the fee of $30 came up. If I select the working, similar fee will come up also. But if I select the dead one, there will be no fee, as there will be no fee charged for the dead appointment. Similarly, next is the fee status. If a fee is paid or unpaid, this can be selected from here. If I select the drop down from here and the paid option, and you will see that in the option of in the account appointment setter, there will be $30 will be added. If I deselect it, if I just pay the not paid option, then just say that there is no fee. Close price is a price on which both parties agree. For example, in this specific case, it is $1,500, and at the same spot, $1,500 is also collected. You will see that once I will put the value $1,500, the 3% of its commission will come up automatically in this column. If I enter this, you will see that there are $45 as a commission of $1,500 cash collected. Now the commission outstanding is showing red. This is because we haven't paid anything to the appointment setter. If we pay $45, you will see that this will disappear, and the other columns will also calculate the related sums as described. So this is the completion of one entry in this. In the summary tab, there is a pivot table. It is a dynamic and automated table that will bring all the values here automatically. This will show overall view of the appointment setters. It has a very dynamic tool that is known as select range over here. From this, we can hover over different dates to see the performance. If I just deselect everything, and you will see that there will be nothing in the table. If I select all, this will clear. And similarly, if I select a specific date from here, the values according to that date will show up. You can just select multiple values as well. I can just use this, and this. So we'll see that the values. Automated templates can save time, reduce errors, and make better data-driven decisions. My services are tailored to fit your business needs. So if you are looking for customized templates, automated reports, or interactive dashboards, I am here to help. Feel free to reach out, and let's start optimizing your data today.